Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We need to remember that, yes, we all are very busy, with the hustle and bustle of everyday life and things along these sorts. But we all need to do something for our religion, for the good of our souls. And this is generally to develop some sort of study habits. We need to set out a time within the course of our day, or at least the course of every couple of days, where we're able to spend an hour learning something new about our religion. Take a class online, one of the classes that are going on at the masjid. There's lots of things that you can do where you have someone actually teaching you, a teacher teaching you aspects of the religion to help you to get closer to Allah. Building these study habits are not only good for ourselves, but it's good for everyone else, good for those people around you. You have different types of conversations you can have with individuals. You can speak with them about things that may interest them, kickstart them in getting or developing some types of study habits. But it all's going to start with us as individuals, you. You need to develop some type of steady study habits so that you can learn your religion, so that you can practice it, so that you can call to it. Because us continuing to do it the way we're doing it, and we're not really learning, a lot of times when you look around, you see that we're doing more harm than good. And this has got to stop.